In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add NFTs to MetaMask. By the end, you'll know how to view your NFTs in both the MetaMask portfolio site and the MetaMask browser extension, and how to manually import an NFT if it doesn't show up automatically. Start by opening the MetaMask portfolio in your browser and switch to the NFTs tab. This view pulls in NFTs associated with the account and network you currently have selected. If you expect to see an NFT but it isn't there, give the page a moment and then hit refresh. Sometimes metadata takes a bit to load, and a quick refresh can resolve it. Next, open the MetaMask extension in the top right of your browser. Once it's open, navigate to the NFTs section inside the wallet. This is where you can manually add an NFT if it isn't detected automatically. Click on Import NFT to begin. You'll see two fields, address and token ID. The address is the NFT contract address, not your wallet address. You can find this on the NFTs collection page on a reputable marketplace or by checking the tokens page on a block explorer. Always double check that the contract address matches the official collection to avoid adding a counterfeit. Make sure the network selected in MetaMask is the same one the NFT lives on, such as Ethereum or another supported chain, so the import works correctly. Now enter the token ID. This is the unique identifier for your specific NFT within that contract. It's often a number, but sometimes it can appear in a different format on marketplaces. Copy it exactly as shown. Avoid adding extra spaces and be careful with leading zeros or unusual characters. Once both fields are filled in accurately, click Import. After a moment, the NFT should appear in the NFTs tab of your MetaMask extension. If you return to the MetaMask portfolio site and refresh, you should see it there as well, as long as you're on the same account and network. If it still doesn't show, double check a few things. Confirm you're on the correct network, verify that the contract address and token ID are correct, and make sure the NFT standard is supported, like ERC721 or ERC1155. Also remember that you should never share your secret recovery phrase anywhere. You only need the contract address and the token ID to import an NFT. That's it. You've opened the MetaMask portfolio, refreshed the NFT view, switched to the extension, and manually imported your NFT with the contract address and token ID. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.